Deluxe mansion homes, luxury supercars, dazzling jewels, and designer clothes. That's the lifestyle of many of the world's super rich and famous. Many may argue that leading such a life of excess is selfish and wasteful, such as retired professional boxer Floyd Mayweather, who owns around 100 cars, 16 of which are Rolls Royce luxury vehicles. But how much is too much for the world's richest? In this video, we tell you the most expensive cars of rich and famous. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Number 10. Jay Leno, 1994 McLaren, $12 million. With a net worth of $450 million, Jay Leno is one of the most renowned and exceptionally successful names in television and Connect. He has built his great wealth through his professions as a television host, comedian and writer, even appearing in a few films such as the 2005 crime-slash-comedy Fun with Dick and Jane starring George Segal and famed actress Jane Fonda, Collision Course, 1989, alongside Pat Morita, John Q, 2002, starring Denzel Washington, and has reprised his voice in two of the Ice Age film installments. Included in his extraordinary car collection is the coveted 1994 McLaren F1. According to Business Insider, the hypercar is worth $20 million, and it reaches 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds and maxes out at 200 miles per hour. Number 9. Jay-Z, Maybach Exelero, $8 million. It wouldn't be right if one of the few billionaire rappers were not on this list. According to Celebrity Net Worth, Jay-Z's net worth stands at a whopping $1.3 billion, making him the second rapper in the world behind Kanye West, who also finds himself on this prestigious list. In addition to his $150 million valued real estate portfolio, successful clothing line, and other wise investments, he also owns a Maybach Exelero, priced at $8 million. The limited edition vehicle is recognized as one of the rarest in the world, aging to the fact the Maybach is the epitome of luxury, style, and comfort in celebrity circles. Number 8. Floyd Mayweather, Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, $4.6 million. When it comes to lavish spending, especially on luxury supercars, there's probably no one else in the world who does it better than retired professional boxer Floyd "Money" Mayweather. Of all other successful athletes and celebrities, Mayweather is the only one who seems to have an obsession with fast cars. Although the popular boxing champion had since sold a hypercar, it is said that he purchased it for a cool $4.6 million. Why so expensive, you ask? Well, for starters, under the hood of the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita is a 4.8-liter twin-supercharged V8 that can produce 1,018 horsepower and a top speed of 249 mph. With a car that can go from 0 to 60 mph in 2.9 seconds, it's no wonder Mayweather owned one of two Trevitas in the world. Number 7. Cristiano Ronaldo, Ferrari LaFerrari, $2.6 million. Although he is known mostly for his contribution to the world of football, Cristiano Ronaldo has been making serious bank from his numerous endorsements deals, which earns him an easy $40 million annually. With a net worth of over $1 billion, as confirmed by Insider, the Portuguese football giant made it to number 3 on the list of the world's highest-paid athletes of 2022. Aside from his $7 million super yacht and $20.5 million private jet, Ronaldo also owns a healthy selection of cars, among which is his Ferrari LaFerrari. He reportedly purchased the Italian sports car for $2 million. Fully equipped with a 6.3-liter V12 engine that accelerates this speed devil from 0 to 100 mph in only 4.7 seconds. Number 6. Birdman, Bugatti Veyron, $2 million. Brian Christopher, better known in the rap world as Birdman or Baby, has long been recognized as the #1 stunner for a few decades now. He is best known for the formation of the Cash Money Records record label in the early 1990s, consisting of DG Manny Fresh, Juvenile, and other, chief of which was rapper Lil Wayne. Today, the 53-year-old has a net worth of $150 million And when he's not spending it on ultra-expensive jewelry, he is purchasing flashy cars. Included in his fleet of fancy cars is a Veyron Bugatti for $2 million, a supercar with a fearsome reputation that generates over 1,000 HP and can go from 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds, according to the Bugatti website. Number 5. Samuel Eto'o. Aston Martin 177, $1.6 million. Basketball athletes may undoubtedly be the highest paid in the sporting world, but that doesn't mean that soccer players don't receive a huge slice of the pie as well. It's no secret that Michael Jordan still holds the title of the world's richest athlete with a net worth of $2.2 billion. But as per the world's highest paid athletes, Argentine football legend Lionel Messi leads the pack, as recorded by Forbes. Samuel Eto'o is another footballer that has had a star-studded football career. At one point, the Cameroonian footballer was one of the highest-paid football players in the world who play for Barcelona, alongside Ronaldinho and Lionel Messi. His $95 million net worth has afforded him an Aston Martin 177, which is priced at $1.6 million. The stylish yet powerful vehicle is fitted with a V12 engine and has a top speed of 220 mph. Number 4. Steven Tyler. Hennessey Venom GT Spyder, $1.2 million. The name of the next vehicle is enough to strike fear into the heart of man, especially if you hate dark liquor and spiders. Aerosmith lead singer and demon of screaming, Steven Tyler turned 74 this year. But that doesn't stop the heavy metal musician from revving the 7.0-liter V8 engine of the Hennessey Venom GT Spyder. A true speed demon, the Venom GT Spyder broke the Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse's world record of 254 miles per hour in 2016 with a top speed of 265.6 mph, making it the fastest convertible in the world, according to Big Boy Toys. This high-performance beast can reach speeds of 0 to 100 in less than 2.4 seconds with a price tag of $1.2 million to match its incredible power. Number 3. Beyonce Knowles. Silver Cloud Rolls Royce, $1 million. Whenever the dawn of rap rides in style, the queen of R&B has to represent. We've covered Jay-Z's purchase of the limited edition Maybach Exelero, which was first owned by big-timer Birdman. By default, Beyonce also displays her financial prowess with her costly car collection. She is known internationally for her serenading vocals and at times fierce emotions in her music, as well as her acting career and other business endeavors, which has amassed her millions over the decades, $500 million to be exact. With that much in the bank, independent of her husband, she can afford to back a 1959 Silver Cloud Rolls Royce convertible worth $1 million. It may not be the fastest car in the lot with a 6.2-liter engine and a top speed of 115 mph, but like its owner, it's stylish, classy, and authentic. Number 2. Kanye West. Lamborghini Aventador, $750,000. Kanye West has been the poster boy for controversy, willingly or unwillingly, during the tenure of his career as a music producer and rap artist. He is one of the highest-paid entertainers with a net worth of $2.2 billion, exceeding that of even fellow musicians Jay-Z and Rihanna. Ironically, however, he has the least expensive car on the list, a Lamborghini Aventador, which is also owned by numerous other celebrities, such as the rap Barbie Nicki Minaj, Chris Brown, Justin Bieber, and the younger Kardashian sister Kylie Jenner. The reason for the Lambo fever could be equally due to its impressive performance, powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that pushes 769 horsepower and can climb from 0 to 60 mph in 2.7 seconds, as well as its reasonable pricing, which is around $750,000. Number 1. Jerry Seinfeld. Porsche 959, $700,000. Born in Brooklyn, New York in 1954, Jerry Seinfeld has gained considerable success as a comedian, actor, writer, and producer, and is most popular for the sitcom he created with fellow comedian, writer, and producer Larry David titled Seinfeld, after himself. Jerry is also soon to cross over into the billion-dollar lane with his net worth now at $950 million, which he amassed through his sitcom, a spectacular spread of real estate, and over 150 cars in possession. One of those cars is a Porsche 959, which cost the comedian $700,000. With a perfect blend of race car performance and luxury comfort, the ultra-performance car boasts a twin-turbocharged engine with a 6-speed manual transmission with a top speed of 190 mph, according to Car and Driver. That brings us to the end of this video. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.